Every successful product starts with a clear process. At Indoplasko, we guide every project from requirement to delivery. We begin by understanding your product requirements, specifications, and business goals. Our team develops detailed 3D designs to ensure accuracy, functionality, and manufacturability. Prototypes are created to validate design, fit, and performance before mass production. Once approved, we move into full-scale production. With controlled and efficient processes, every product undergoes strict quality inspection before secure packaging and delivery. This is how we ensure reliable plastic solutions for your business.